We're always striving to make our videos on the TechNuovo YouTube channel sound as good as we can with the budget that we have, which isn't huge. Now, we've tried and tested everything from onboard shotgun mics from Rode, condenser microphones off camera, and even lavalier microphones. But the one thing we haven't tried and tested yet, which I must say do actually come recommended, and that is shotgun microphones. Now, Saramonic reached out to us and offered to send us one of their Saramonic SR-TM1 Shotgun mics, which is an 11-inch microphone with several features that aren't usually found built into the microphone itself. In the box, what do you get? Now, you get the microphone itself and an included foam windshield. Now, it's not quite a dead cat level for blocking wind, but does a decent enough job of cutting out plosives. You get a small XLR cable, a USB cable, which we'll come back to in a moment, and a mount that can either be hooked up to a microphone stand or a hot shoe on a camera. Let's get the reason the USB cable is included. Now, the Saramonic SR-TM1 has a built-in battery which can last up to 150 hours worth of use, which is absolutely amazing. It requires charging, hence the USB cable, but to connect it to an audio source requires the XLR cable. There is no phantom power, hence the need for a battery, but it doesn't mean you can't plug it into sources that have phantom power. You absolutely can. Now, the power button will even change from blue when using the built-in battery to green to indicate it's receiving phantom power. To give you an example, I have mine right now at the time of making this review plugged into my Go XLR on my gaming setup behind me. There are 4 buttons on the microphone itself. The first is for power to turn the mic on and off. And making my way down the rest of the tube, you can find a button to toggle a -10 decibel pad that allows you to record loud audio without clipping, a +6 decibel high frequency boost which lifts high frequency details, and a 150 Hz high pass filter which cuts low end noise like traffic noise if you're shooting in a public place. Now, for the most part, we'll be using this microphone in a studio setting, although shotgun microphones are usually the go-to if you're out in the field shooting interviews or even movies. Now, I've got mine placed just off camera, about a kind of like a hand span away, and it's pointing directly at my mouth to pick up the clearest audio possible while I talk to the camera. Now, to give you a bit of technical info, the microphone has a 40 Hz to 200 kHz frequency response with a cardioid polar pattern. So just as a quick example, I've got the Saramonic SR-TM1 plugged into my Go XLR mixer. I've got it maybe a hand span away from my face, and I just wanted to show you the rejection of the microphone. So when I start turning the microphone 90 degrees to my right, I have left my window open because there is some background noise and some work going on at my house at the moment, but I just wanted to show you the kind of rejection that you're going to be getting from the microphone itself. And again, I'm turning the microphone 90 degrees to my left. Again, just to show you some examples of the rejection and some background noise that this microphone can pick up. And I must say, I am very impressed with the results. Admittedly, controlling sound where I film my videos is quite easy for me, as we're usually inside at my desk like I am now, or in the studio outside, so background noise could be kept to a minimum. However, if you are in the field, noise rejection from audio coming from the sides and rear of the Saramonic SR-TM1 isn't the best. And for me, sitting at my PC playing games, it was quite hard for me to reject the clicking sound from my keyboard that has cherry switches. It could be done, but every time I did speak to interact with my live stream, TechNuovo, over on Twitch, or spoke in Discord, you could still hear the clicks from my keyboard, if only quiet. Filming the TechNuovo videos in a studio on the YouTube channel, it's wonderful and definitely worth the £200 price tag if you're wanting to improve your audio for videos. To give you a heads up, if you're new to the world of shotgun microphones like we are, it is sensitive. It took me a bit of time to get to a point where I was happy with my audio, and me being used to my Rode Podcaster mic that needs a big boost to the gain to get anything out of it, the Saramonic SR-TM1 doesn't. I had to turn my gain right down on my Go XLR to get a usable sound without clipping or distorting. I also turned on the high frequency boost to give my voice a bit more clarity. I do edit my vocal audio after recording, but I do like working with a clear canvas for my edits and add some bass later. So would I recommend the Saramonic SR-TM1 shotgun microphone? Absolutely. For the quality of audio you're going to get and the fact that the shotgun mics are usually fairly expensive, hence why we haven't used one in the past. The SR-TM1 at £200 is a pretty great bargain. It's definitely going to be a permanent microphone in our videos in the future for sure. Thank you very much for checking out my video review of the Saramonic SR-TM1 Shotgun Microphone. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and also let us know in the comments down below what you think about the audio on this video, where you think it's better than our other videos. Go back and watch another video, check out the audio between the two, and then let us know what you think. Also, as I said earlier, we do live stream. We are live over on Twitch, twitch.tv/TechNuovo, where we live stream games and have a chat about tech on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 8:30 p.m. onwards. So if you want to ask us a question about tech or gaming, or just want to come and join in a conversation, make sure to head over to our Twitch channel. The link is in the description as well. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.